Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Kodak ESP 2150 or 2170 AIO printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to the YouTube description. In a YouTube description, I give two links. First is the Google printer driver link and second is the Google driver scanner driver link. First, download the printer driver. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. My machine is 64-bit, so I go to the 64-bit link. You can click on any link and 64-bit is open. After that, click on the download. From here we find download, or click on the downloads and click on the downloads. Find the download and click on the download, or Control D on your keyboard. I click on the download and download is started in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is started and it's completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Here we find the setup file, and this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it. Here we find extract files. Click on the extract files, click on the OK, and it's extracted on the desktop. Double click on it. Here we find our files and we are going to install these files. That is very easy. Close it. Next step is install this printer driver file. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Printers and scanners is open. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up. And here we find new options. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. And if you find any port name, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on Heurex. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one file or folder. Double click on that folder. Here we find one file. Select that file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many options. Scroll down and find Kodak ESP Office 2150 series or Kodak ESP Office 2170 series. Select anyone. I select first. You can select 2170 also. Okay. After that, select this. It is a series printer and it's include many printers. Select your printer and click on the next. Give any name. I go with the same name. You can add any name that you like. I click on the next. It's installing our printer. Install our printer. After that, if you want to share this printer with the network, then select last option. I don't. So I select do not share this printer and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on the printer test page or click on finish. After that, check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find Kodak ESP Office 2150 or 2170, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.